So, um, this video is something I've cobbled together. I wanted to learn how to go from new deck order into Cy Stebbins order, and I've found at least one video that was just not very well put together, not very clear, so I wanted to make one of my own. This one is how to go from new deck order into Cy Stebbins order. Okay, that's a trick, an amazing trick that I wanted to do. So what we're going to start with is, this is out of the box, completely fresh. Okay, there's no jokers and no ad cards in here, and I named it. This is my 7 of clubs deck right here. Here's what we do. So I'm going to bring the camera down so you can just see my hands, what's going on here. Okay, so just to show that it is in new deck order. A new deck order is this. It is ace of, so let's start here. So it's ace to king of hearts, and then ace to king of clubs, king to ace of diamonds, and king to ace of spades. Okay, this is the way, if you get it out of the box, this is what it looks like. Okay, so to do this, what you have to do is, first you get the jack, queen, and king of spades, and you put those on the face of the deck. Just take them out from here, put them on the face. All right, and now what you have to do is you have to run 4 sets of cards, one at a time. So the order is 7, 6, 4, 9. Not 6, 7, sorry. 7, 6, 4, 9. So it's like this. So the deck is turned over this way. You're going to go 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put that on the top, or on the face of the deck, on the bottom of the deck. This is the top of the deck, bottom of the deck. Then you do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put that on the bottom of the deck. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That on the bottom of the deck. And then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That on the bottom of the deck. Okay, so effectively what you've done is you have messed up this part of the deck, right? This is that. So 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 9 is 26, which is half the deck, right? So this part of the deck here has not been changed at all. This is all completely from the king of diamonds to ace of diamonds, 10 of spades to ace of spades. This is completely the same. This part of the deck has been changed. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to the jack of spades, cut at the jack of spades, and you're going to do an in-faro, which means what you have to do is you have to take the 5 of clubs part of the deck, and you have to, is that in focus? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so you're going to do it in faro, which means that it has to be like this. There we go. Perfect on the first try. That's what it looks like that. Okay, and in faro, so the 5 of clubs is going to go in, jack of spades is going to be on top. Okay, then you're going to do one more in faro, and you're done. It's so cool. Ace of diamonds, and then the jack of spades, and this time the jack of spades goes in. In faro. All right, now it's done. Okay, so the trick, what the guy did is he started with a brand new deck of cards, pulled them out of the box. There was cellophane on the box. Okay, cellophane was on the box. He unwrapped it. He cut that really annoying sticker, which I hate so much. cut that. Then he did all that right there. He did the Jack, Queen, King to the face, and then he ran 7, 6, 4, 9, and then he did 2 end pharaohs, and then he said to his friend, he said, "Here, it's what I want you to do. I want you to give it a little mix." And so what the guy did, and I'm not going to do this when I do the trick. I'm going to say cut the cards, but he had the guy just do a quick mix. He just did like a couple of overhand shuffles, and amazingly, it didn't mess up the trick, okay? But I'm going to say, when I'm doing the trick, I'm just going to have them just cut the cards like this, cut the cards like this, give them a few cuts like that. And then, this is what I like he did, is he took the cards or he had the person choose a card, okay? So they chose a card at random, and then he cut, so he did that right there. He cut this to the bottom of the deck like this. And then this was the magic here. As he put it in the box, he got a glimpse of the top card and the bottom card, okay? So the bottom card is the 2 of spades, and the 8 of clubs was the top card, okay? All you really need to know is just like these are in order. I believe they're in order. This is right. Let's see. If it works, really you just need to know what this bottom card is here. So in Cy Stebbins order, remember it goes it goes up by 3 every time. So 2 of spades, 3, 4, 5, diamonds. So what this card should be right here, this card right here that you pulled out, is the 5 of diamonds. So then what he did is he, put this away, and then he got a different colored deck out and he opened it up. And then he went through and he found the 5 of diamonds. And he put that right there. And then he said, actually, this card that he pulled out of the red deck, he actually had the guy take it and put it under his seat or put it in his pocket so that it couldn't be. So then he said, here's my prediction right here, 5 of diamonds. And then the guy pulled the card out and he went, 5 of diamonds, right there. Okay, so that's the trick, is that, okay? Going from new deck order, doing those shuffles, which is a lot faster than going into mnemonica, which is my preferred thing, but this was so cool that it went from new deck order, shuffle, 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 prediction, or cutting the cards, then prediction, and then nailed it. So that was really cool. So that's my little video for today.